It's Saturday. We got to Dublin on Thursday, and I think that there's probably been about 5 minutes of footage. So pretty much our first few days in Dublin, we've seen the city for about 5 seconds. Maybe we'll have something for y'all tomorrow.
We all the way up here in Dublin, watching Wimbledon, boy. This is how we chose to spend our Sunday.
Yep.
Breakfast for champions. Caitlin says she wanted PF chains. Shoot, boy.
Okay, so we are planning out our day with our map of Dublin. So we're staying here at the 3 Arena, somewhere right in here. We're gonna take the Luau. We're gonna start here and work our way all the way down to the Red Line End, I believe is where we're gonna get off. I think that's the end. We're gonna start here at the Guinness Storehouse, and then we're gonna walk to the Christchurch Cathedral, then Dublin Castle, then go to the Temple Bar, and then we're gonna hopefully end it by going and seeing the Book of Kells at Trinity College.
Alright, so we just got off the Luau, so we're making our way down first to the Guinness Storehouse.
We might not go in, but we're at least gonna see what you can see without the admissions. So even if it's just the building outside, gotta see it.
Yeah, it's a little steep on the prices. Definitely gotta get something to eat before then. Alright guys, we're running really late to the Dublin Castle. We didn't realize it closed in about 10 minutes, so maybe we get to see it. Alright, so we may have goofed. We thought that this place was the one that closed at 5.
And it was the Trinity College.
Yeah, that's the one that we were most wanting to go to too, and we should have known that. Supposedly like the oldest book in the world.
I got my stuff mixed up.
Oh well guys. And we have the whole day booked tomorrow.
And then we're leaving first thing in the morning the next day. Oh! But we're here at Dublin Castle right now. You can't film anything on the inside at all. So we just shot some stuff on the outside, but other than that, we're gonna really try to find something to eat because we haven't ate all day and it's past 5 o'clock. I'm starving.
Yeah, I told y'all that whenever we got to the Guinness house that I was supposed to get something to eat before we went there. Still haven't gone. We've already been there and 2 other places.
Yeah.
My brain's not working, guys. I gotta get something to eat. I'm out of here. We don't want to give away too much of what we're doing tomorrow, but just know that we got to eat cheap again tonight, so we're still not going to have authentic Irish meal again today. but maybe tomorrow. Finally got the Guinness.
Country road, take me home to the place where I belong. To the place